welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to assemble my fry box. I already have it here designed and printed. We're going to cut and assemble. I will be having a how to design video soon. My software has been acting up, so I've been trying to record it all last night. It just was not letting me be great, so stay tuned and I will have that video for you guys. But once you finish designing and printing, you want to hand cut this out. You can pull this into your Cricut or your cell. Just remember, if you are bringing it into your Cricut design space, that you will have to change your sizing to fit the Cricut print to cut field. I kept all my little lines here so I can show you guys where I'm folding. But when I print for a customer, unless I am needing those lines for designs, they will not be on the final product. Oh, I done ripped my box. So now that we have all of them cut, well, all of them, now that we have it cut out, we're going to fold on the fold marks. I use my ruler for this. I just put my ruler up to the fold line, and then I just pull it up and fold. And I just do that to every fold line till I'm done. And then I will fold it in the opposite way and beginning to assemble. So my tape runner is currently messed up, and I don't feel like going to the closet to get a new one. So we're going to just use this. We're just going to do it the crafter's way. You know, we always come up with something. But you want to put adhesives on the front panel only. And also on this little fold here. I'm about to have this blue stuff everywhere. Now let's fold it in. You want to make sure that this is in the inside, and then you're going to line this part up with this. You want to do the same thing to the other side. Let's fix this one. Make sure you Get it to stick. Make sure you push the inside ones up against the wall. And there you go. You have your Toy Story French fry box. I like to push the bottom end where it's like gives it a little dip. I don't know if you guys can see it on the video, but you see how it gives it that little dip. So it gives it the true feel of a French fry box. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the how to design this French fry box video.
I said, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop.